the adjustment affect the baby?
Well, that is a wonderful question. So whenever we make the adjustments to the spine, we're affecting the nervous system. We're going to be taking the pressure off the nervous system. So when your brain is able to speak to your body, in this case, your brain is going to be able to send signals more efficiently to your baby. So the baby is going to be getting optimal nerve flow, which is exactly what we want to create a healthy baby. And also, since we're going to be making some changes in your hips and pelvis, the baby's going to have a lot of extra room. So you might feel more emotion, the baby moving around more. So all of those are great things and things to be looking forward to.